In this screencast, we're going to take a look at how to create and edit closed captions in YouTube videos. It's important when you're creating videos for a large audience that you have the ability to show them the script of the video. Some people like to read along as they are viewing videos. Others might need the words to be able to understand the video. Some might need the script in order to see words that might be confusing or unclear to them as the speaker is talking. And last, if you'd like to have subtitles in which your video can be presented in a different language, closed captions and subtitles will help you to achieve that result. In this screencast, we will learn about simple editing and creating of these closed captions. We'll take a look at how you can edit and change the times so that you can have a good closed caption for your video for everyone to understand. The first step in creating closed captions for your video is to open your YouTube channel page. Here's my home page for my channel, and the first thing you're going to need to do is open the Video Manager. In the Video Manager, you will see the list of your videos that you have uploaded, and I'm going to work on this video here where I'm holding a leaf. If you click on the down arrow here, it will give you many options of what you're going to edit. The settings, enhancement, audio. We're going to look at subtitles and closed caption. If you click on this particular bar, it will take you straight to that page. But if you click on the edit button, it will open the edit page, and you'll notice those same topics are at the top of this page. And again, we're going to click on subtitles and closed captions. When we get to this page, you can add subtitles and closed captions. And you can pick a language. My language is in English, but if you want to choose a different language like Spanish, you can just type it in and pick which Spanish you'd like. But I'm going to stick with English. In YouTube, when you have uploaded your files, it will use voice recognition to go ahead and create closed captions for you. You'll notice that each box has been kind of set out, trying to recognize what you've said, and also timing or what has been said on the video. There are several buttons here we're going to take a look at. The action button. If you don't like the subtitles that are there, you want to copy in a script, you can delete all the subtitles and then you can upload a file or download things. We're not going to work with that just yet. This box here says type subtitle here and then press enter. This will add additional boxes into your transcript that's already there. If you want to add extra things, maybe to enhance it, you can add that there. Down here at the left, the pause video while typing. This is a unique key in that while you're typing your transcript, you can have the video going at the same time and go back and forth with it. Some people might not like it. It might be a little disturbing, and you can take that off. And then the video will keep going, but then you'll have to stop the video as you work your way through the transcript. I will leave it on because then I can go back and forth between the videos. Here, the title of my video. And we're going to call it Identifying Trees Using Leaves. And if I hit the plus, that will add in this text box. And so as my video starts, it'll have the video there, and then it will continue with me talking. Now, I don't want to change my timing, so I'm going to just take that out. So if you have something that you want to add more to, you can add another box and add more in your subtitle. But since I'm not going to use them, I'm going to take those out. And we're going to play the video so that you can hear it.
You're coming from the woods today. Today we're going to talk about how to identify trees.
So if you notice what I said Lisa here today we're going to learn how to identify trees. There are many ways to identify trees. That sentence is not here. I had typed in some of these transcribing, so I can add, there are many ways to identify trees. To edit the closed captions, simply click on the box as if it were a text box in another presentation and just type away as you see and I've done. If you want to play the video while you're also typing, so we are going to stick with a few simple ones, rather than there are a few simple. So as you can see, I was typing along as the video was going. The thing you need to remember is that once you're typing, the video keeps going when you're done typing, so it gets pretty quick. So if you don't want to have that the video continue to go on, just stop the video and then you can continue typing as you need to without the video going on. But sometimes it's nice to kind of hear and go back and forth so you can hear exactly what was said. You might miss a word here or there, and this makes it easy to 100% get what was actually said in the video. When you're done making all your adjustments, your editing of the text, be sure to hit publish. When you publish that, it will allow you to save whatever changes you've made. Let's say in this case, because YouTube has captured my voice on this one, and I don't like how it sounds, I want to actually have my script in there that may have different words. I can go in here under actions and I can delete my subtitles. So I'm going to go ahead and delete those. And now I have to go back and say, well, I want to add my subtitles back in. And I want to do it in English again. And I'm going to use the transcribe and set timings. You can use upload a file, but this is not a simple file. There are different types of files from ScreenCast and things like that. I find that transcribing is easier because you can cut and paste a script that you might have already written, or you can write your own script in there and then set the timings. This last bar, create new subtitles or closed caption, those are the bars that we looked at in the last editing where you could just type in and hit enter and then it adds the new boxes. And you can do that and it will also set the timings for those. But we're going to take a look at this transcribe and set timings. And you'll notice we have, what's spoken here. This is where you can write directly in what is spoken in the video. And I know I start with hi there, or hi Lisa, coming to you from the woods. So I can go on, and then when I'm done putting in all my script, I can set my timings. Or, because we still have this pause video while typing, I can play the video. So this is Lisa here, coming from the woods today. We are going to talk about whatever. This is the same kind of editing process that we did before, and just having this transcript already there, and we just edited through text boxes. In this case, you will be just writing everything out that's said from the video. There's an easier way to do this too. Let's say, for example, you had a script written out and you actually followed it. What you can do is you can cut and paste. I'll take a Word document here. This is my script that I was going to use, and you can copy it. Go back into your video and then you can paste it. And from here, you can edit as you had done before. When you're done doing this, what you want to make sure you do is hit set timings. When you click this button, this page looks like nothing's been happening, but if you click the English set timings, it will tell you that the set timings are, the timing is being set for the subtitles, and then just check back. And it doesn't take too long if your script is not very long. And then you'll come back and you'll be able to see the timings. Then you can go back to your video manager, check your video again. Let's take a look what happened. See if our closed captions are there. And indeed they are, and now they're set with timings. And you can see, even though I put a script in here, that sometimes there are places that are kind of broken up. And just like we discussed before, you can take words out, add them different places, remove boxes, just as we had edited before. So that's how you edit and change your timings for closed captions and subtitles. And I hope you have an easy time creating these closed captions for your videos and for others to view.